Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Raz Bata, and today I'm gonna show you how you can create a SSH key so that you don't need to do a repeated login inside the GitHub. So for that, go to Google and type how to generate SSH key to so type this one and go to this link. So this link is related to creating a new SSH key and adding to the SSH agent. So right now I'm using Ubuntu, so I'm following the instruction provided for Linux. So first go to your terminal. I have already opened my terminal, so I'm gonna copy and paste this command, and here you need to replace this thing with your email. So in my case it's okay, so you have to press enter. Now you need to enter passphrase, so enter your passphrase, again provide your passphrase. So you have successfully generated the SSH key. Now you need to add the SSH key to the SSH agent. For that, copy this command, then paste it here, then copy this command, paste it here. Now you need to provide your passphrase again, provide that thing. Now you can check whether you do have the SSH key generated or not. Go to your file browser, go to home, then type Control H. Then you can see the hidden file. Go inside the SSH. Here you can see that you do have idrsa.pub. So open this file. So here you can see that you do have generated key. So copy that thing, then go to your GitHub. So I created this GitHub in order to demonstrate how we can generate a new SSH key and add it inside your GitHub so that you don't need to do a repeated login. So go to your setting, then go to SSH and GPG key, then click here new SSH key, then type git demo, then paste your key here, add SSH key, then you are all set. Now you can go ahead and create a repo. In my next video I will show you how you can create a repo and use the SSH key to clone that repo to your desktop. If you like my video, please don't forget to like or subscribe. If you do have any suggestion, please provide your suggestion